Complete your perfect bathroom with the timeless elegance of the Scudo S8 brushed brass fluted glass Wetroom. With its brushed brass profile and cosmopolitan fluted glass design, it's suitable for installation on shower trays and tiled Wetroom floors, giving you the freedom to create your dream space. No need to worry about uneven walls, as the Scudo S8 offers a significant adjustment for out-of-true walls, ensuring a seamless installation every time. Want to keep your glass looking crystal clear? Make up your perfect brushed brass shower enclosure by using 1 or 2 panels to suit your needs and preferences. With the Scudo S8, design flexibility is at your fingertips. Create a sanctuary that reflects your personal style while enjoying the durability and quality that Scudo is known for. Upgrade your showering experience with the Scudo S8 brushed brass fluted glass Wetroom today. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.